These lights feature 72 advanced RGBCW LEDs that produce exceptionally pure warm and cool white light, in addition to a full spectrum of vibrant colors. The system's intelligent lighting generator can create over 30,000 unique lighting combinations from simple prompts within the companion application. Designed for permanent outdoor installation, the entire set, including the adapter and control box, is IP67 rated and made with anti-UV materials for superior weather resistance. The initial 100-foot strand offers great installation flexibility, as it can be cut to size or extended up to a remarkable 800 feet. You gain complete creative freedom through smart app and voice controls, allowing for the management of individual lights, distinct zones, and music synchronization. The manufacturer's commitment to longevity is demonstrated by making every individual module and accessory available as a replacement part for future needs.